Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to the channel. I've been getting some emails and phone calls about termite protection, being that termite season is right around the corner. So what I want to do is I want to explain what I have here in front of me. This is the advanced termite baiting system. This is what we utilize in our company. I just want to explain to you how it works. So let's get to it. This is the actual station here that would be implemented into the ground around your home. Whether it's dirt or concrete, we have the capability of installing this in your home. The second piece to this would be the wood here, as you see. This is basically put into the bottom of the station, and this attracts the termites that are foraging from the ground up. Now, this here's the cap, which, as you can see, there's a barcode, and we use that to monitor each individual account and what's going on with each station. Now, as you can see here, we have two different cartridges. The first cartridge is for monitoring only. There's no active ingredient in this, and it won't eliminate any termites that forage into the station. This is placed on top of the wood, and then this here is placed inside of the station. Now, this is a great tool to use if you don't have an initial inspection of your home. But if you have your home inspected and termites are identified, I would suggest go straight with the bait. This is the largest payload on termite baiting systems here in America. I would implement the bait, and then once we have management and control of the termite population around your home, then we could always switch back to the monitoring only and basically just monitor as far as whether or not the termites are still on the property or not. We also have other methods that we do utilize at EcoWise Pest Control. If you should need any type of services, feel free to give us a call, 212-756-9996. If this has been helpful, I would appreciate if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so when we have any other type of videos of this nature, you'll be informed. Thank you, and have a great day.